Hello friend, welcome to Medical Learning Hubs. Another day with another session mathematics. Today we are going to work out the integration of these two parts, that is part A and part B. Part A says sine 5x, part B says sine 6x cos 4x. So here's the solution. Let's start with the part A, where we're supposed to find the integration of sine 5x. It is with respect to x, so we write the x. This is how we can interpret this into the sine. Okay, to integrate this one, it's not that complicated. It's easy, but I always advise start by first getting the value of dx. How do we do that? By letting let maybe u be equal to 5x such that du dx will give you 5. So if we make dx the subject, we shall have our dx to be equal to du over 5. So now we're supposed to integrate this one. Now the whole of the integration of sine 5x with respect to x now becomes the integration of sine. Remember, what is our 5x is u, then 5x is u, then the dx is du over 5, which gives us 1 over 5. The integration of sine u with respect to u, which gives us 1 over 5. Integrating sine gives us negative cosine, so it will be cos u. When you're integrating, don't forget to add the arbitrary constant. You can choose any letter, but the most preferred letters are k and c. Okay, so now, but we mentioned somewhere that when you see u, this is equal to 5x. So therefore, the integration of sine 5x with respect to x, this gives us negative 1 over 5, then cos, it is u here, but our u is 5x, so it is 5x, then we add the constant c. So this is the answer for our part A. You can start working out part B, then you cross-check your answers with mine when I finish solving it. Thank you for watching. Let's now work on part B. On part B, what was part B about? We're supposed to find the integration of sine 6x, then cos 4x with respect to x. Okay, sine 6x cos 4x with respect to x. That's what we're supposed to find. Okay, now here we have the product of two terms. One is sine and the other one is cosine. The integration of this kind can be carried out using the concept of factor formulae in trigonometry. Okay, factor formulae in trigonometry, which is in the form, so we call factor formulae. It says that if I have sine alpha, I add to it sine beta. This one is equal to twice, then sine into bracket alpha plus beta divided by 2, then cos alpha minus beta divide by 2. That is our factor theorem. Now, for this particular case here, what we have is this part. What we have is the right-hand side. So in other words, rearranging or rewriting this one, we can write as sine alpha plus beta divided by 2, then cos alpha minus beta divided by 2. This one equals a half into bracket sine alpha plus sine beta, like that. So what does it mean? Remember, when you look critically at these two terms, if you take the sine term and you add the cosine term, the whole of it, you get alpha. Let me repeat. If you take the whole of this, that is alpha plus beta over 2, add to it alpha minus beta over 2, you will get alpha. Similarly, if you take this term, subtract this term, you will get sine beta. I mean, if you take alpha plus beta divided by 2 minus alpha minus beta over 2 will give you beta. So this tells us that to get this one, the first one, that is alpha, our alpha, if you compare with this, will be equal to 6x plus 4x. You simply add the two, which gives us 10. Is it true? Yes, 10x. Similarly, our beta will be equal to 6x minus 4x, which gives us what? 2x. Therefore, the integration, before we go there, therefore, sine 6x cos 4x equals, we take a half outside, then plus, we are here. Remember, our alpha is 10x, so it will be sine 10x, then plus sine. What is the sine? 2x sine 2x. Okay, so what does it tell us? This tells us that the integration of sine 6x cos 4x with respect to x equals a half the integration of, there we go, this is sine 10x plus sine 2x with respect to x, which equals a half square bracket the integration of sine 10x with respect to x plus the integration of sine 2x with respect to x. We cross the square bracket. This one gives us a half square bracket integrating sine. This one gives us negative cos what? According to the first part, that is part A, cos 10x divide by 10. And this one gives us the same, similar, not the same, sine, integrating sine, we get negative cos. So it is cos 2x divided by 2, all of them, add the constant, which gives us, okay, here is 2 taking out, okay, we'll allow the half to come in, then we shall have, no, let's put there 1 over 4, make it negative, then the bracket, we shall have cos 10x divided by 5, then plus, this one will be cos 2x, then we add the arbitrary constant. So this is the integration of sine 6x cos 4x with respect to x. That's our answer, and thank you for watching.